Hey everyone, I'm Selena, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today I'm pumped to talk about the Instant Pot Pro Max, a smart 10-in-1 pressure cooker that's ready to revolutionize your kitchen. If you're all about quick, tasty meals with minimal effort, stick around because this one's a game changer. Let's dive into the features. The Instant Pot Pro Max is a 6-quart multi-cooker with 10 functions: pressure cook, slow cook, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, sous vide, yogurt maker, warmer, canning, and NutriBoost for enhanced flavor in soups and rice. It has a premium stainless steel pot with a flat bottom and handles for easy searing and moving. The touchscreen display is super intuitive, with one-touch presets and Wi-Fi connectivity to the Instant Connect app, which offers over 2,000 recipes with step-by-step guidance. NutriBoost pulses steam to improve texture and nutrition, especially for risotto or broth. Plus, it has a gentle steam release for safety and less noise, and all accessories are dishwasher-safe. Now, pros and cons. The pros are huge. The 10-in-1 versatility replaces multiple appliances, saving space and time. It cooks up to 70% faster than traditional methods, and the app makes recipes foolproof. The stainless steel pot heats evenly, and the handles make it easy to handle. NutriBoost adds a creamy texture to rice and soups. On the downside, it's a bit pricey compared to basic models like the Duo. The 6-quart size might be small for larger families, and some users say the Wi-Fi setup can be finicky. It also takes practice to nail steaming times for perfect results. Who's this for? If you're a busy home cook who loves tech and wants a versatile, smart appliance for quick, healthy meals, the Instant Pot Pro Max is perfect. It's great for small families or anyone who wants app-guided cooking without the hassle. Ready to cook smarter? Click the link in the description to grab the Instant Pot Pro Max at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing waiting. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.